Countless streams of light follow the stream of thoughts that contact the reality of your own making. And once these countless streams of light find themselves wrapped within your mind, you become enlightened within your deeper understanding. When your heart is heavy and your head is light, the streams of light becomes a countermeasure, much like Ma'at's feather. And in so you understand the true meaning of the measuring of what is weighted within your consciousness, since a feather is really the essential symbol for the mind, that which is in the air, very much like Mercury is right now.